Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In the last video, that is counter app part 2, we have created recycler view layout. This video is the continuation of the previous video. I have given link of the last video on the top right I button. In the main activity, first we will create a adapter for the recycler view. The name I have given as counter adapter. Then we are creating the viewholder class which extends RecyclerView.viewholder. Inside viewholder class, we require a constructor whose parameter is the view, and inside the constructor we need to call super, and in the parameter need to pass the view. Inside viewholder class we are creating a new method bind whose parameter is the counter model. The bind method will be called from counter adapters on bind viewholder, and in parameter we will pass the model. Inside the viewholder class on top we have declared two text views and image views, and inside the constructor we are getting the reference of the views. In counter layout name text view we did not give an id, so we are giving an id is name. Now inside viewholder class constructor we are getting the reference of the two text views and image views. Inside bind method we are setting value in the name text view and the number of likes from the model.getName and model.getLikes. Get likes is long, so we need to convert it to string while setting value in the text view. Inside viewholder we are setting onClick listener on the image view. On image view liked and not liked. When liked image view will be clicked, we will make the visibility of the like image view gone and not liked image view visible. Similarly, when not liked image view will be clicked, we will make the visibility of the not liked image view gone and liked image view visible. Counter adapter class will extend RecyclerView.adapter. Adapter type is the viewholder class that we have created. We need to implement methods on create viewholder, on bind viewholder, and get item count. Inside counter adapter class, we require a constructor whose parameter is the list of counter model. Here in top, we will declare the list counter model, and inside constructor assigning list to mList. From get item count, we will return the size of the list. Inside on bind viewholder method, using position, we will get a single counter model from counter model list. Then calling bind method and in parameter passing the model. Inside onCreate viewholder, we need to use layout inflator and counter layout file, then returning an instance of viewholder class. Now we require a recycler view in main activity layout file. Recycler view ID we have given as recycler view itself. Layout height wrap content, layout width match parent layout height would be wrap content. We are renaming counter model list name from sets to counter list. We are declaring recycler view and linear layout manager. Inside onCreate method we are getting the reference of the recycler view and linear layout manager assign new linear layout manager. First parameter is context this, second parameter recycler view.vertical, third parameter false, then setting recycler view layout manager. On top declaring counter adapter. In query.add snapshot listener adapter assign new counter adapter. In parameter passing counter list. And after that setting adapter in recycler view. When I run the code, I got the multi-desk memory issue. On searching the issue in Google, the fix is we need to add this dependency in app level build.gradle file and multi-desk enable true inside default config. Then click sync now. In the counter layout XML file, we are giving margin left and margin right on the parent layout. Now we need to do a few changes because for updating a document in Firebase Firestore, we dynamically need the document ID. And for this purpose, inside query.add snapshot listener from snapshot.iterator, we are getting the iterator query document snapshot. While iterator has next query document snapshot assign iterator.next counter model assign query document snapshot dot to object in the parameter counter model dot class. Because now in query document snapshot we will get the document ID, so inside counter model class we are creating a new variable document ID type string and setters and getters, and also updating the toString method with the new variable. Now we will go to the main activity, and inside add snapshot listener while loop in counter model we will set document ID, query document snapshot get ID, then counter model list add counter model. We will remove counter model list assign snapshot.to objects because counter model list we are populating inside while loop. Above query.add snapshot listener counter model list assign new array list and clearing it before populating like this counter model.clear. We will continue development in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.